Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the comment section on Nextdoor. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove the comment section of a post. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Nextdoor, then click on your profile picture on the top right-hand corner. Next, click on My Profile, then go ahead and scroll down and find the post which you want to turn off the comment section for or remove the comment section. Click on the three dots next to the post and then click on Close Discussion. So this is the best way that I've been able to actually go ahead and remove the comment section on Nextdoor. You can't necessarily actually remove the comment section, but you can close the discussion though. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove the comment section on Nextdoor. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, so let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.